ये है परसेवरेंस। फिक्सिंग पर डालना रिक्वायर्ड। पहली दफा कामयाब नहीं होंगे। कर्नल हार्टलैंड सैंडर्स केंटकी खड़ा है, अब पहली दफा नहीं हुआ था। होंडा मोटर कंपनी पहली दफा नहीं बनी थी। आइंस्टाइन पहली दफा कामयाब नहीं हुआ था। नबी पाक सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम पहली दफा कामयाब नहीं हुए थे। So you have to have sabr. Allah will test you. You have to have lot of sabr, करनी, perseverance. Keep on doing it. But इसमें there is one thing which you require. तो अगर आप गौर करें इस फलसफा सूरत नसब के ऊपर, तो जो पहला लेसन और आखिरी लेसन है, ये बेसिकली साइकिल है कि विदाउट हैविंग अ पावरफुल बिलीफ यू विल नॉट हैव द सब्र और द परसेवरेंस पावर। उसके लिए आपको बिलीव चाहिए। There is only one thing which you require. Unless you believe, why would you do sabr and why would you persevere? Chunti believe कि I will do it, इसलिए वो ट्राई करती रहती है। So you have to have a belief, but on the other hand, it will keep you updated. It will give you the sabr. It will give you the perseverance. But that perseverance will never come in until you have the right belief. Nabi Paak Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam knew कि this is the message of God. ये वही है, इसका वक्त आना है, इसलिए आप ट्राई करते रहे टाइम के। So you have to understand that things will not start falling. लोगों में सब्र है ही नहीं। एक दफा ट्राई करते हैं, दो दफा ट्राई करते हैं और फिर कहते हैं अच्छा यार छोड़े ये भी काम नहीं होगा, चल यार कोई और करते हैं। उसी में मौका मिल जाता है, उसी में दूसरों को मौका मिल जाता है। आप देखते हैं कि जो आपका आइडिया था, somebody else is already doing it, somebody else has already implemented it. Why? Because you did not have the sabr, you did not have the perseverance. So make sure that things will not start happening, things will not start giving you the result immediately, but you keep on doing it, you keep on doing it, you keep on doing it. हो सकता है हफ्ता गुजर जाए, महीना गुजर जाए, 3 महीने गुजर जाए, आपकी सेहत खराब ही हुई जाए, आपने क्या 5 साल पागल से पता करने की पढ़ा देता है। ये होगा क्योंकि इट विल नॉट हैपन। आपको भी सीधी बता रहा हूं, अगर आपका तो सब्र इतना सा है, अगर कामयाबी इतनी आसान थी तो देन एवरीबॉडी वुड हैव वांटेड इट। यू नीड इट बिकॉज़ इट इज रेयर। It is rare because people don't have what it takes to be the success. Each and every one of you can become the success provided you are willing to do whatever it takes to be the success. Unfortunately, people are not willing to commit what it takes to become successful. So you have to learn, number one, starting with a belief, doing the things right, saying the things right, and then having a lot of sabr and a lot of perseverance, not giving any excuse to yourself to stop doing it. People will keep on telling you, तुम पागल हो, तुम क्या कर रहे हो, अपना वक्त ज़ाया कर रहे हो, इससे कभी ऐसे काम भी हुए, ऐसे भी कभी हुए। Keep on doing it, keep on doing it, and then you will see. मैंने आपको अपनी एग्जाम्पल दोबारा दे सकता हूँ। सारा साल मैंने सेमिनार्स किए हैं, मुफ्त में किए हैं, सारा साल मैंने किताबें नुकसान में चलाई हैं, सारा साल मैंने काम किया है, और it is I became public speaking profession never existed in this country. I'm sorry I'm not saying this because I just want all this collapse. This is the hard fact of life, just to bring it in a matter of record. 93 में who would have learned the art of what was public speaking all about? लोग कहते थे तेरा दिमाग खराब है, लोग सुनने के पैसे देंगे। Who would have known कि someday Faiz will be paid 500,000 rupees for a 20-minute talk? Who would have known? I never started doing it because I was inspired and I should be making money out of it. I just kept on doing. Now the time has come that you will not see any sales conference in this country, any corporate event in this country, where a professional speaker would have not been invited. 14 साल की effort है. I'm so happy that there are so many good speakers around today. Lekin somebody has paid the price. The same thing, I have some other plans now for myself. I'm not a kind of a person who would keep on doing the same thing over and over again. और मुझे उसके लिए आपको बहुत आपकी दुआओं की जरूरत है। एक नया आइडिया है। I am basically, that is about Islam. I'm wanting to establish Islamic Standards Organization, which I'm currently working at. That standards organization will be just like something like ISO 9000, but it will be called International Islamic Standards Organization. is what we require the most. So inshallah will be good. So my dear, before I say goodbye to you, and I would like to take two questions before I leave. There is a poem, जैसे as Americans say poem. ये भी एक ज़माने के हिसाब से लफ्ज़ों के मानी और लफ्ज़ों के प्रोनाउंसिएशन चेंज होते रहते हैं. हमें डंडे पड़ते होते थे से पोएम, उदाहरण से पोएम. आजकल के बच्चे हमारा मजाक उड़ाते हैं, वो ये पोएम नहीं है, ये पोम है. ठीक है जी, बराबर. So, Changed My Mind is the title of this. Is the title of the poem. Yeah, actually, when I was very busy doing all the public seminars, so there was a seminar which was called Change Your Lens, Change Your World. So every seminar used to have a sporting poem written by my wife to conclude the learning of the seminar. So I will be reading this poem for you. Please understand, listen carefully, and you can also have the copy from the stall outside. It is called Changed My Mind. What से सुनिएगा इसमें सारी की सारे जो अल्फाजी है वो basically inspiration comes from different verses from Quran. Close your eyes for a little while. Take a deep breath. Look deep inside. You will find yourself in a new disguise. Be ready to take off for a new ride. I felt so light and finally through. This must be the life which was due. Whatever it was, I had no clue, but could not find my feet as I flew. A place so glamorous for me to dine. Celebrations going on with food and wine. Wind was blowing to give it more shine. I knew it was supposed to be all mine. ये एक नक्शा है. वो किसका है वो आखिर में आपको पता चल जाएगा. Whoa! I will finally make it. I always knew. God is great and He loves me true. Who said you will pay for every deed? God is generous. Maybe I was good too. Oh no! How did you get in there, you creep? You shocked us all when we're freaked with your hypocrisy, lies and the greed. You don't belong here, you sick and weak. ये आवाज उसको आई वो जो ख्वाबों में जन्नत में पहुंचा हुआ था उसके बारे में. But what I did wrong when I was alive, I was popular in folks as strong and wise. People loved me for the things I had. I might be wrong, but I was not bad. Those who praised you so much so well are doing their time also in the hell. By listening to them instead of Him, you fool, you committed the greatest sin. Whatever you did your days and nights and thought you did just the rights will now cost you burning in the fire. It won't make you a heaven's higher. Doesn't matter anymore what you think. Your strengths are now gone in a blink. No, you won't adjust. Get out of here. I must take you to hell. Your home is there. People here have a totally different style. They lived their life through tough trial. You had never seen life in this view. How would you know what to do? People here always eat in one gut. You had more than enough of ifs and buts. They look at each other and pass us